Our online template maker offers complete customization options for your design, whether it's using images from the gallery, adding relevant icons, incorporating QR codes. Choosing how to market yourself can be challenging and confusing for small businesses. It's crucial to ensure that your investment yields the best results. Among the various options like SEO, social media, and paid advertising, one avenue that you shouldn't overlook is a marketing brochure. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. Today, we are delving into the world of marketing brochures. We'll explore how small or medium businesses can effectively use brochures for marketing and discuss how to effortlessly design one using Venngage. So let's begin, shall we? A marketing brochure has one job: to help businesses market their products and services. It's a printed messaging material, usually in a trifold, Z-fold, or bifold format, designed to promote businesses, products, or services. Not all companies can afford to advertise on billboards and TV commercials, but brochures are economical, so companies of all sizes use them, whether it's for the local pizza joint down the street, a small startup, or a Fortune 500 corporation. A standard size brochure provides enough space for you to add vital information about your business, such as summary of your company, list of your products or services and/or prices, contact information, company logo, mission statement, the benefits of choosing your company, and other selling points. Utilize both sides of the brochure by filling in each section on either side of the fold. You can also incorporate inserts such as discounts, coupons, or showcase your latest deals. Make sure your brochure aligns with your marketing plan. Keep the fonts, colors, and themes consistent with your social media and billboards. Include your website or social media profiles for additional information beyond the basics. When it comes to incorporating visual elements like imagery, icons, shapes, and design, Venngage has you covered. Our online template maker offers complete customization options for your design, whether it's using images from the gallery, adding relevant icons, incorporating QR codes, styling your brochure, or even seeking AI support to write your content. We provide everything you need to design a brochure in minutes. Lastly, it's crucial to consider where you'll be placing these brochures. Think about your target clients and where they are likely to frequent. For example, a pet grooming salon aiming to reach pet owners in a residential neighborhood. They could strategically distribute brochures at local veterinary clinics, pet supply stores, or even community events related to pets. Creating an effective marketing brochure for your small business is crucial, but hiring designers can be hectic. Venngage offers a convenient solution with pre-designed and easily customizable templates. Whether you're in healthcare, automotive, restaurant, real estate, hotel, charity, even event planning, we have a template to suit your needs. That concludes today's video. I hope you've gained valuable insights from this guide. Try creating your own marketing brochure with Venngage for free. Make sure to follow us on social media, and until next time, happy charting.